is Pratiksha. Welcome to our channel. So हम देख रहे हैं पाइथन फॉर डाटा साइंस सीरीज एंड आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट इन पाइथन. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स सी व्हाट इज अ कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट इन पाइथन. In Python, conditional statement allows us to execute a certain block of code based on the whether condition is true or false. So we can say it's a decision-making statement. So it allows us to take the decisions. And when we have we want to apply some condition on our program, then we use conditional statement in Python. And here there are some common conditional statement in Python, which is if, elif, and else statement. So this statement we use for take the decision or make the apply the condition on the program. So here some Python conditional statement that used to control the flow of execution in a program. So here the some list of conditional statement. So first if statements, if else statement, if, elif, else statement, and nested if statement. So first in this video we'll see if and if else statement. So first we see the if statement. So it's a if statement. So it's a shorter, it provides the shorter symbol. So this if statement will when we have only one condition that we want to execute, then we use if statement, only if statement. So it executes the block of code if the specified condition is true. When we pass the condition here and that condition is true, then this block of code will get executed. So here syntax for it, if, and we have passed the condition, and if that condition is true, then block of code will get executed in the if statement. So let's see the one example of if statement. Suppose I have x value x equal to 100, and I just wanted to know, I have just one condition, which is if x greater than 50, then x is greater than 50. So this condition will get true. This condition is true. So this block of code will get executed. So this is x is greater than 50. Suppose I'm taking one more example. I have one condition, which is salary is equal to 60,000. And if I want here I have only one condition. I want to know if the salary is greater than 50,000, then only loan will get approved. To know just if salary greater than 50,000, and we have to always put the colon after the condition and print loan is approved. Loan is approved. So we get loan is approved because this condition is true. Suppose I am passing here 70,000, and I want to know either this condition is false. So we get empty because this condition is false. So when we have only one statement that we want to execute, or we have only one condition, then only we use if statement. Now we'll see the if else. Block of code will get if block of code will get executed when if condition is true. Otherwise, another block will get executed. Else block will get executed. So let's see how is it. If the condition is true, then only if block will get executed. Otherwise, else block, if condition is false, then else block will get executed. That is a if else statement. So here the syntax if, and we pass the condition in if statement, and here we write a block of code. This will only get executed if that condition is true. Otherwise, else block of code will get executed, and we cannot write the condition in else block. So we have to just write the syntax like this, and we have to pass the colon after if and else statement. Let's see the example of if else statement. Suppose I am taking x is equal to 100, and I want to know if x is greater 500, then print this is true, else print this is false. This is false. Now we get the else condition because our if condition is false, so that's why else block will get executed. Now see the one more example. I want to know the either our whatever number I'll pass, is it even number or not. So I'll take one input variable where I want to get the number, I want to provide the number, and I wanted to know it either it false, either it's a even number or not. So first we'll see, we pass number, enter that. So I'll pass condition if number, because I have stored our number in this input variable. So as we know that our input variable allows us to get the input directly from the keyboards. So number mod 2 equal to 0. If that number is divisible by 2, then print number is even, else otherwise print number is odd. Say so here I want to know the output. Okay, here I want to pass the I want to value integer value, so I'll pass the integer input, and here suppose I'm given number 2, so I'll get number is even because this if condition is true. So that's why this first block of code will get executed. Suppose I want to pass 3, then I'll get number is odd because this if condition is false, that 3 is not divisible by 2. So that's why the first is false because 3 is not divisible by 2, and that's why else block will get executed. 3 is a odd number. So this is our if and if else conditional statement. So this is a decision making statement that we use in Python programming. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. In the next video we'll see the remaining statement, which is if elif and elif else statement and nested if statement. So stay tuned.